welcome to another OneMonroe Minute. Today, we'll be discussing pull handles. Pull handles are a type of hardware that are commonly used to grip or pull open a door, drawer, or a surface. They can be mounted to these fixtures where they serve as a secure grip for users to be able to open and pull them with ease. Pull handles can be found virtually anywhere, in just about any industry. They are found on common appliances such as refrigerators, grills, microwaves, ovens, and even lawnmowers. Even the trash bins that you take out to the curb every week have pull handles attached for convenience. These handles are also used in industrial settings, where they can be found on tools or machinery. For example, in a factory workplace, pull handles can be used to open doors or hatches on machinery, allowing workers to access the inside for maintenance or repairs. They can also be used as a part of a safety system, such as emergency stops or shut-off switches. Pull handles come in a wide variety of materials and sizes to fit the functionality requirements of its primary purpose. Here at OneMonroe, we carry pull handles made from various metals, including stainless steel, brass, and aluminum. With the wide variety of options available, it is important to choose a handle with the style and material that is most compatible with your functional requirements. OneMonroe stocks a large assortment of pull handles to cater to your specific needs. Be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers to see how we can help you find the perfect fit. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another OneMonroe Minute.